Why you might want to wear a carpenter's apron. Hola woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, small workshop guy. When I'm going to do joinery and I'm moving around the shop and I want to mark off things, I kind of want to have everything with me. I don't want to be looking for where is it. I have for a couple of months tried this carpenter's apron. This was under $30 and is really working well for me. Let me show you how I use it. I've got 3 pockets up here, so I have my marking devices in 2 of these smaller pockets. Then I have on some loops that are on the side of the apron, I have attached a holster. This is from Starrett. It's designed to hold their calipers. I spent so much on the holster that I couldn't afford the Starrett calipers, and I like these Husky calipers anyway because they are in inches, both as fractions and as decimal and in millimeters, and you can switch back and forth during a measurement just using the mode button. So those are my favorite calipers. I have my measuring tape, obviously. I use the Fast Cap old standby. This is one for laying flat on work pieces. So anyway, the beauty of that is got a pencil sharpener in it, but I don't need that because I use mechanical pencils. I got 2 rows of pockets here of various sizes. I keep my combination square right there where I need it in one pocket. I load up this bottom pocket with my feeler gauge and with my wax. And again, put whatever you want to in your pockets. I have my scribing knife or my... Now to keep that point from tearing through the bottom of the pocket, which I have found to be a problem, because that's very sharp, I take a piece of cardboard, about 2 inches by 3 inches, fold it in half, put it in the bottom of that pocket, and then I'm not having any problem. What else do I have? Well, my safety glasses are right there where I need them. I have some files of a couple different types, and my dual marking gauge from Veritas. So this apron I got on Amazon. It was under $30. It's by WIRTA, W-I-R-T-A. It's called WIRTA Works. Small workshop guy. I hope you find that helpful. Signing off.